Again. Again. One more. There's sound decibels on it. Not even hitting 90. That's how quiet it is. So we're gonna put a BORLA S-type catback exhaust system on it. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2018 INFINITI Q60 3.0 liter. So we showed you guys what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like with the magic of YouTube, with the full BORLA system installed. There's a BORLA X pipe, then it's got the BORLA resonators there and there, then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and then it's got the S-type muffler, BORLA S-type there, and then it's got the 4-inch double-walled roll tips there and there. And this is the system we cut off right there. There's the muffler, there's the resonators, and that whole system. As you guys see, we took all that off and replaced it. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. BORLA S-type. Sounds really nice. Hit 108 earlier. Back out. 2 Sexy. What you guys hear on the inside?